Hello, this video is a demonstration of the compatible Apple Watch and iWatch series 1, 2, 3, and 4 bands that come in four colors: a silver color, black, rose gold, and champagne gold. When you order any of these four colors, we send you the band and an adjustable tool. Follow the instructions on one of the images within the product that will demonstrate how you can adjust the band. We also protect the band with a plastic shield, so when you are going to install the band on your Apple Watch, make sure you remove the little plastic that is wrapped around the band. To install this on your Apple Watch, press this little button and then slide your band out. Do the same for the other side. And then take your band, make sure you detach it, and then you slide it on. And then you can go ahead and wear it. This is how your band would look like. Thank you very much. With any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. And as always, we appreciate the reviews. Our business is based on reviews, so please take a moment and let us know what you think of your band. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you.